11th standard. Today's project is hydrolysis of water. By this experiment, I get hydrogen gas. I use materials like water, salt, two iron nails, switch, wire, and salt. Electrolysis of water is a process of splitting hydrogen and oxygen gas into water. Look at here. I add 2 tablespoons of salt to the bottle. When salt helps to conduct electricity. When I switch on, a current passes through a water and water splits into hydrogen gas. Hydrogen passes through this pipe and makes pop sound like this.